Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at M4 with the 3 amp receiver. This is radio frequency control which can control all of our RGBW LED strips, both the 12 and 24 volts. So just before we go any further with the actual product itself, just a quick note on the wiring. So the V plus is actually the black cable on the RGBW strip. Usually you think it'd be the red, but for the RGBW, the R actually stands for red. So it is the black cable. Once this is wired, you've got your 5 outputs, red, green, blue, white, V plus, which is your black. You've got your little handheld remote, the M4 handheld remote. Comes with this little wall cradle, so obviously you can screw that somewhere, saves you from losing it or kids from losing it. Straightforward enough, 3 buttons on the bottom. You've got your power, which turns the strip on, your white, which turns on the white channel. Now we'll go into that a little bit more in a minute. And then you've got this small cassette wheel button. It can fade between colours. You can set it to a stationary red, stationary blue, anything like that. As we cycle through, you will see shortly that, here you go. It can fade between all the colours that the strip can do. So your blue, your greens, your reds, your purples, anything like that. Now, as you keep cycling through, you'll go through, I think it's around 7 or 8 different pre-programmed functions it's got. You'll eventually get to a part where the colours turn off completely. Now this is where you can use the white channel only. So if you press the W button, it will turn on the white only. You can dim the white by pressing and holding the W. So that will dim it, and then to turn it back up, you simply let go, press and hold it again, and the white will start to come brighter again. Now a lot of customers think that you go down to the white section on the strip, but that's actually the cyan feature, which turns on all the colours, and then you can activate the white separately. So you'll always get this sort of off-white if you were to do it like that, but the correct way to do it is to cycle through all of the colours like this, press the W button, the white comes on. You've got the colour wheel in the middle, you've got your greens, blues, reds, yellows, anything like that basically, any colour you want to make. The plus and the minus are for the brightness of the colours. So this is currently set to full brightness. Hold the minus button, it will dim the colours. That doesn't dim the white. In order to dim the white, like I said before, you just press and hold the W button. These are one of our most popular remotes, obviously, for the RGBW. Really cost effective. You can control quite a lot of strip with these as well, so customers really tend to like them. And yeah, that's basically it really. Pretty straightforward to wire up. Positive and negative on one side from your driver. You've got your RGBW and your V plus on the other side, and then you've got the controller itself. Now you can link multiple remotes to one receiver, or you can also link multiple receivers to one remote. So if you found you already had a setup like this and you wanted to add more, you would have to purchase both the remote and the receiver because they do come in a blister pack together, but you could link this remote to multiple receivers. So you could always add more to the same area if you were doing something in the future. Also, you can add more remotes to the same receiver if ever you found you wanted more than one, anything like that. Any advice, any installation queries, anything like that, just give us a call, we'll be more than happy to help.